Quick question. Are you using the right QR code for your business? A lot of businesses grab the share link from Google Maps, Apple Maps, or even Waze, and they turn that link into a QR code, and they think they're doing it right. But here's the problem. Those links are really just URLs designed for specific applications, and they don't work perfect on every phone. This is why using a true location QR code matters. They'll work on any phone with any app, leading your customers directly to your front door or your side door, or you have a pickup area in the back of the store, even to that area too. That's how precise you can get with location QR codes. I'm going to show you when to use a location QR code, why they are better, and how to make one in less than 2 minutes. All right, let's break it down. A location QR code is a special QR code that, when scanned, opens Google Maps, Apple Maps, or even Waze with the exact coordinates to navigate your customers to your business. Unlike sharing a map URL, a proper location QR code doesn't care about what phone, apps, or even the browser your customer may use. It knows how to locate your default navigation app. Hence, the name, location QR code. So how can your business take advantage of these location QR codes? Here are some of the ways that I use them. I just don't add my address to flyers and posters. I save my customers time by adding a location QR code for them to actually scan. Come on, you know people just love scanning QR codes. And why not give them one to scan that leads them right to your business? I also use them on business cards. I mean, why would I just want to send someone to my website when the goal is to get them in my store? And the location QR code sends them directly to my store. They're also great to use if you offer curbside pickup or have multiple entrances. Location QR codes can prevent confusions by directing your customers directly to where you want them to be. That's just how precise you can get with QR codes. Okay, so let's create a location QR code. Creating a location QR code is a two-step process. Get the coordinates that you want to navigate the customer to, and creating a QR code for them to scan from the coordinates.
1.
Let's get the coordinates to direct someone to the Ghostbusters headquarters in New York. I'm actually surprised that the headquarters they use in Ghostbusters haven't been rented for something else, with space being a premium in New York. Let's convert to satellite view to get a better visual of what we're looking at. Glad to see it's open 24 hours, because if there's something strange in the neighborhood, who are you going to call? Ghostbusters. And no matter what time, someone will be there to answer the call. If you right-click on the pin, I can see the coordinates of the building where the pin is actually placed. That's good enough to get someone to the building, but what if I want them to go to a certain part of the building? Let's take a look at the building in the photo. I see they have 2 doors on the side of the building. Let's get the coordinates for the door farthest in the back. I'm guessing the door is right about here. Just right-click on the spot, and the coordinates to where you just clicked will pop up. You can then just click on the coordinates to copy them into memory, because we'll need them for the next step.
2.
Let's create the location QR code. I will use one of my free favorites, QR Code Monkey. Click on the location option, then paste the coordinates we got from Google Maps into the search your address text box. Yeah, I know that's not where the coordinates are supposed to go, but this will allow us to cut each latitude and longitude coordinates and paste them to the correct field. The coordinates are already in the correct order. Cut and paste each number into the respective latitude and longitude field. Now, this next step is not needed. Zooming in to verify the coordinates location. For the purpose of this video, I will do so you can see that the location is correct. Okay, looks good. Let's create the QR code. Making a proper location QR code takes less than 2 minutes. You get the coordinates from Google Maps, generate the QR code, download, and print it out. So I'm gonna ask again, are you using the right QR code for your business? If not, you're probably making your customers work way harder than they should be. Hit like, subscribe for more small business tips, and drop a comment if this is something new to you. Or if you already knew about it, how are you using location QR codes?